Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the Dell USB Slim DVD drive. The front of the package is pretty minimalistic with just some Dell branding and an image of the DVD drive itself. The top has the model name and the model number on the right hand side, which is DW316. The bottom simply has some barcodes. The left hand side has some warranty information, but we recommend that you consult the Amazon product page for all the relevant information regarding the warranty first. The right hand side has some QR codes and barcodes as well, which are not relevant to the consumer. The back of the box has a sticker on which we have some information regarding the importer and manufacturer, and right in the middle, we have some information regarding the customer care. That's about it in terms of what is on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. On the inside, we get some reading material. First up is the quick start guide. This should help you get started off with using the device. Next is some safety and environmental and regulatory information. We recommend that you go through this first just to be sure. Lastly, we have a DVD which has the drivers that can be installed to make the DVD drive work. But we do not think that you will need it because most of these things are plug and play. Lastly, we have the cable that connects the DVD drive to a PC or laptop. It has a USB Type A interface on one end and a USB Mini B type interface on the other. This connects to the DVD drive. Right here, we have the Mini B port. And while we are here, the first impressions of the drive is that it keeps up with its slim name. And as you can see, it is pretty slim, compact, and lightweight. The other side has the tray for the DVD, and there is the button for it right in the middle. Overall, there are different finishes on the device. Like the top has a grainy matte finish, and so does the bottom. And the sides, the bezels, that is, have a shiny, glossy finish. There's the Dell branding logo right in the middle. On the bottom, we have a sticker which has the exact model number and some symbols. The bottom also has 4 anti-skid pads, so you can place the DVD drive on them and rest assured it will not slide around on a smooth surface. So let's see this drive in action now. For the purposes of this video, we will be connecting this DVD drive to a laptop, which, like most modern laptops, does not have a built-in DVD drive. Once connected, it will detect and install the drivers automatically, and it should be ready for use now. All we need to do is press the eject button, which is on the front, and that should pop out the DVD tray. Now you can use this DVD drive to play movies and stuff from old DVDs that you might have lying around. So this was the unboxing of the Dell USB Slim DVD drive. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.